Bitches on the beat.
Welcome back, guys. For today's episode, we are going to be continuing with the high intensity interval training workouts. Today we have an upper body circuit, but also for today, this is going to be the first episode starting up here with the advanced phase level workouts, all right? So again, this will be a step up, obviously, from the beginners and intermediate phase. It's going to be containing a lot more volume. It's going to be also, a much higher pace, much more intense of a workout compared to the beginners and an intermediate. So it will be structured the same exact way we've been doing it. 1 minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 7 stations, we'll take that 2 to 3 minute break, get some water, come back and finish up with 3 total rounds, all right? So for the first station we're gonna be doing today, we have some triple explosive burpees, all right? So this is basically a burpee on steroids. So what it's gonna look like, guys, you guys are gonna start off, obviously jumping up, coming down to the ground, and instead of doing a regular push-up like you normally would, you're gonna do 3 explosive push-ups. So coming down from the bottom, 1, 2, and 3. Back up, over and over for that minute. Trying to really push ourselves and see what we can do while we're out there getting it, all right? So that is going to be our first one. On to the next. For number 2, we're gonna be doing some plank rows with 5 push-ups added onto that, all right, guys? So what it's gonna look like, you guys are gonna have your weights right here. We're gonna start off in a push-up position. So what we're going to be doing, taking that weight, rowing it one side, right, rowing it to the left, plus 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then do it again, all right? So remember also when we're rowing too, we don't wanna be pulling in an upward motion like that. We want to row it to our waist. Row it. All right, so not up, not like this. Make sure we're putting it in our pocket, coming down, left, right, 5 push-ups, over and over. All right, and that is gonna be number 2. For number 3, we're gonna be doing some weighted shoulder holds, all right, guys? So this time we're gonna be doing 30 seconds, one arm, 30 seconds the other. So we're gonna start off with our weight right here, and I would suggest that you guys grab, obviously, not a weight that's gonna be too heavy. These will tend to get pretty difficult if you're trying to hold up a pretty heavy weight. So grab something that you know is gonna challenge you, but you can obviously do throughout that minute. So what it's gonna look like for the first one, once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, starting it off with one arm, we're gonna hold right here for 30 seconds. All right, try not to be opening up to the side, making sure we're keeping our shoulders level to the ground. Right here, once we hear that clock, 3, 2, and 1 at the halfway point, then we'll grab the other one, same exact thing. Holding 30 seconds. All right, that is going to be it for that one. On to the next. Number 4, we're going to be doing some declining Spider-Man push-ups. All right, guys, so for this one, all you're going to be needing is just somewhere where you can put your feet up on. So I'm going to be using this bench right here. Feet are going to be coming up. I'm coming down into push-up position. And from right here, I'm going to bring one knee down with me all the way down to the bottom. Coming up, right leg. Coming down, left leg. Bringing that leg down all the way with me throughout that minute. And again, obviously those are pretty difficult, so just do your best throughout that minute and see what you can do. All right, that is going to be it for our 4th one. Number 5, we're gonna be doing a bicep curl with 3 additional shoulder presses added onto it. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, grab our weight, standing up nice and tall, chest is going to be up, back is going to stay straight. So what we're doing from right here, curling up, and from this position, we're gonna twist those wrists right into 3 shoulder presses. 1, 2, and 3. Back in, down nice and slow, back up, curl, turn, 3 presses. 1, 2, and 3, back in, down nice and slow. All right, guys, that will be our 5th one. Our 6th one, we're gonna be doing 5 overhead tricep extensions plus 5 tricep push-ups following it. All right, guys, so you're gonna start it off, grab your weight. We're gonna go ahead and put it above our head right here and make sure we're doing our best to try and keep our elbows tucked in, making sure we're isolating that tension onto our tricep. All right, so from right here, elbows locked in, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once we hit our 5th, putting our weight down, right into some tricep push-ups. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, making sure that we're keeping our elbows locked in nice and tight. Once we hit those 5 push-ups, grab the weight, another 5 overhead, back down, another 5 tricep push-ups, over and over for that minute. All right, guys? That is our 6th one. And for our 7th and final station for today's circuit, we're gonna be doing 5 bent over rows followed with 10 additional shrugs, all right, guys? So if you guys wanna do this one with a barbell, that's fine. I only got my free weight, so I'll be doing it with this. So always remember too, any type of bent over exercise, we really want to emphasize on making sure our shoulders stay rolled back the entire time so we're protecting our back at all costs, all right? So from this position right here, we're gonna start it off. Once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're gonna pull it into our waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I've gotten 5, I'll stand up, and then I'm gonna go right into 10 shrugs, all right? So making sure when we're doing our shrugs, we're not rotating our shoulders to get them up. We're just gonna simply be coming straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. After I've gotten 10 shrugs, I'll go back to the 5 bent over rows, back and forth until that minute ends, all right? So that is going to be all 7 of our stations for today's upper body circuit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have a bunch of new stuff coming on the way, so make sure you guys are staying tapped in with your boy. Make sure we're also hitting that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just trying to get this message out to the right people. So I hope you guys give this a shot. Let me know what you think. And until then, stay positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.